Here's how you can check who has subscribed to your YouTube channel on your Android phone. So if you are new here, subscribe so you don't miss videos like this one, and let's get started. So of course you can use the built-in or the regular YouTube app to check out your account and even your analytics and see the exact number of subscribers. But in order to see who the person or account is, you cannot do it through the YouTube app nor with the YouTube Studio, but you have to go through the web browser. So if I open up the Google Chrome and go to the studio.youtube.com, or just look it up inside of the Google, when I type in YouTube Studio web version, I'm going to be able to go through it. It might try to prompt me to get at the app or open it through the app, but I'm going to continue with the web version right in here. And if I continue to the web version of YouTube Studio, I'm going to see this page where I have the ability to see the analytics the same way that I would browse it on a computer. But as you can see, I also have the ability to see the latest subscribers. So I can see a couple of accounts. I can even click on a see and view all of them, and that is going to give me the ability to see the exact people which are subscribed to my channel, the actual accounts. Keep in mind that it depends on the setup or settings of that particular account, because if somebody subscribes to your channel, they might still decide that they keep their subscriptions private, and in that case you will not see their account listed in here. Only those people who have said and clicked that their subscriptions are going to be visible publicly, and those people can be browsed in here. So you're still not going to see all of the people, but at least you get some information which you otherwise would not be able to see. So I hope it helps. Let me know if you found what you needed. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'm gonna catch you later in the future uploads.